Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a quick 99-cent store haul. This is a quick and simple, a quick and easy one on today. It's short and sweet we got going here. Welcome all new and my folks that look forward to these videos just as much as I look forward to making them. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's start with the non-food items. It is the OxiClean Pet Fresh Carpet, the little vacuum booster there. I don't use it as much as I used to because it is a chemical process and the kids are always on the floor, so I try to keep as least chemicals on the floor as possible. But with this beige carpet that we have, it doesn't matter how hard we clean it. It still looks like Dalmatian skin on that carpet. So anyway, that does help. And it was 99 cents for that box there. That is and we do have a pet. He's not big, he's not a stinky guy, but anything helps sometimes with the pets. It's 18-ounce box for 99 cents. These are just good to have on hand. Toothpaste, toothbrushes for, when you run out of toothpaste or you have company that comes and goes or relatives that come and go and stuff like that. Those are always, you can't beat that. The bag, Ziploc bag with the toothbrush and the toothpaste in there and the toothbrush cover. Great for traveling, great for so many purposes and stuff like that. 99 cents for that little case there. Now, moving on, we've got our apples. That's $1.99 a bag, but they had the pears this time, you guys. Those are pears, and I guess they're still lunchbox size or whatnot. $1.99, you cannot beat that, guys. And there's at least 12 apples in that bag, and for the pears, I would say there's at least 8 in there. And there's, of course, more, but that's the number that I know there's at least of in there. Because my hands are not free, so I can't count them out for you right now. So moving on to the mini-size waters. You guys know I'm not big on bottled water because the plastic and the recycling. However, I'm going to a gathering and I am bringing the water. I'm not one to bring full-size bottles of water and then they're sitting around everywhere afterwards. That is like a pet peeve of mine. So I got some mini and some larger waters for the gathering that I'll be going to this weekend. 99 cents a piece for the 6-pack, 2 for 6 bottles of the minis and of the large ones for 99 cents a piece. You cannot beat that. Queso fresca, I do believe this was $1.99. I gotta look at the receipt. I can't remember if it was $1.99. I'm almost sure it's $1.99. It wasn't 99 cents because this is, if y'all take a look there, it is 8.8 ounce. This is not a small package of the queso fresca cheese. I love elotas. If you don't know what that is, you need to become familiar. It's like corn with seasoning, boiled corn or grilled corn on the cob or loose kernels in a cup with seasoning, some of this cheese and stuff in it. Oh my gosh, it is delicious. Normally you can go buy it $1 a cup, $1.50, depending on what size you want. But who's gonna be making their own at home now? Me. Okay. You guys know it's getting cool. Chili time. These run for at least $1.75, $2 in regular grocery store. They have them for 99 cents. Dad is going to be making his famous chili soon, so I'd like to keep these stocked up for him. I know we already have some, but I saw them there, so I just grabbed one. This Ugo, 1887. I'm not very familiar with this brand of wine, but the bottle is absolutely adorable, of course. And it's a sparkling wine, and there's some information on it there. These were actually $3.99, I want to say. Yeah, so those are going to be really interesting and good. Over here is the garlic salt and onion powder, 99 cents a piece. Like I said, the wine was $2.99. I purchased some Bellinis, like a 4-pack of canned Bellini, sparkling Bellini. Hi guys, I just wanted to jump back in here real quick, like the 4-pack Bellinis and the 6-pack of the protein meal bars, Cherry Nut by Special K, 99 cents for the Special K bars and $2.99 for the Bellinis. I had never seen this before. It does say new wine cocktail strawberry. Those are gonna be a little tempting. But yes, I just want to jump in because I forgot a bag in the car. So just wanted to jump in and grab those and show you those as well, so you don't miss out on your little treats and healthiness. On the border, salsa con queso. My children love chip and dip. I skimped on this last time, but I was like, let me go ahead and get it and taste it because I want to make some homemade chips and have some dip. That's kind of what I'm craving right now. Organic chicken broth. You guys saw that in the last week's video. Low sodiums, holidays, you can never go wrong with it. So they had some more, so I grabbed some carrots as a roasted carrot recipe I want to get into. So that's going to be really, really good. Just a whole bag of carrots, 99 cents. The queso, the on the border queso was $1.99, okay? The chicken broth, 99 cents. You guys know we keep up with our bread, and it was 99 cents for the bread. So thank you so much for tuning in for this quick 99-cent store haul. Remember, guys, sustain your family the best way you can on the best dollar. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy these videos, it's very helpful to try to keep up with each other and stay tuned. So subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the share button and the like button so we can all enjoy together, build our community. Until next time, fill your cup so it can runneth over and spread the love. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Ciao.